why do you do this?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you?
Oh, why do I do this as a job? Why am I still running my business today? This is a good question. I mean, first of all, who else is going to do it? I think the second thing that I really like to tell people is I have an affinity for interesting things. I like cars, especially. I've always liked cars. I always liked the way Mercedes built things. I believe in their engineering. I believe in the concept of having a forever car. I think that a lot of people don't. I also think that somebody has to keep the standard in the industry. And I'm not saying that I'm the only person who keeps the standard, but it helps when you have a person who is constantly trying to do the job right and is enjoying the responsibility of keeping these cars in good working order so future generations will actually know what a good car is. Because we're in a time where there really aren't any good cars. Most cars are terrible. They're designed to last for 10 to 15 years. Maybe the trucks are designed to last for 18 years, but I do it because I think this is essentially what God made me to do. I'm not the kind of person who runs away from a challenge. And this is the challenge I feel the most comfortable taking on. And, I'm proud of the Mercedes Benz brand. I'm proud to have been raised with these cars. I'm proud to be the son of a Mercedes Benz mechanic. I'm proud of the work that we've done to preserve automotive heritage. And I hope there's a day when people take complete restoration of these cars more seriously, because being able to drive somewhere is like wonderful. It's a wonderful thing. And being able to do it in a stylish, well-made, beautiful car like a Mercedes Benz it's just a peak experience, and to me, that peak experience is worth it. It's absolutely worth it. Sometimes even just looking at the car is like, whoa. You're stunned by the detail on a 40, 50, 60-year-old Mercedes. There you go.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.